Filipino American food, a culinary fusion of cultures. Fil-Am cuisine is explored, showcasing how traditional Filipino flavors are blended with American ingredients and techniques. This journey into the kitchen reveals the unique dishes that have emerged from this cultural fusion, offering viewers a delicious glimpse into the heart of Filipino American food. Ever wondered what happens when Filipino flavors meet American ingredients? Join us on a delicious journey into the world of Filipino American cuisine, where tradition meets innovation in every bite. Get ready to experience a culinary fusion unlike any other. Filipino American food is bursting with unique flavors and surprising combinations that will tantalize your taste buds. Looking for fresh, flavorful recipes that celebrate cultural heritage? This video will inspire you to explore the exciting world of Filipino American cuisine, offering a delightful blend of tradition and modern twists. Think you know Filipino food? Think again. Filipino American cuisine is a vibrant mix of two rich culinary traditions. It reflects history, community, and innovation, blending Filipino flavors with American ingredients and techniques. This fusion shows how food is more than just sustenance. It tells stories of identity and change. Understanding this cross-cultural cooking is key to appreciating both Filipino culture and the creative spirit of Filipino American chefs. The heritage of Filipino cuisine in America. Migration patterns brought Filipino workers and families to the U.S. in waves. During the 20th century, many Filipino immigrants settled in cities like Los Angeles, Honolulu, and New York. These communities created spaces to share traditional dishes and adapt them to local ingredients. Over time, Filipino food gained recognition beyond small enclaves, becoming part of America's diverse food scene. Traditional Filipino ingredients and techniques. Certain ingredients define Filipino cooking. Soy sauce adds depth, vinegar, soy, and spices. Sinigang, a sour tamarind soup, and kinalaw, spit-roasted pig full of flavor. These techniques carry cultural stories, making each dish a slice of Filipino history. Cultural significance and celebrations. Food plays a big role during Filipino festivals like Pasko, Christmas, and Sinulog. During these events, families gather around tables filled with traditional fare, strengthening bonds and preserving customs. For Filipinos in America, sharing food continues to be a way to connect with home and celebrate heritage. Some dishes now define Filipino American cuisine. Think adobo fried chicken, a crispy twist on the classic stew. Longanisa breakfast burritos blend Filipino sausage with American breakfast traditions. Halo-halo milkshakes add a sweet, icy treat made with Filipino shaved ice and tropical fruits. These dishes show how Filipino flavors are infused into familiar favorites. Incorporation of American ingredients. Filipino chefs often swap ingredients to fit local tastes. For example, turkey replaces pork in adobo, making it leaner or more suitable for certain diets. Dishes like plantain-based desserts or banana bread incorporate a popular Filipino fruit. Using grills, ovens, and fryer techniques from America brings new textures and appeal to traditional recipes. Culinary innovation fuels the new wave. Ube cheesecake offers a purple twist on classic desserts. Pandesal burgers put Filipino bread as a bun for burgers, blending flavors in a fun way. To attract a broad audience, making Filipino food trendy and accessible. Blending flavor profiles. Filipino cooking balances sweet, sour, salty, and umami flavors. These are combined with Western tastes. Some cooks add sriracha or chipotle to spice up traditional dishes. Cheese, soy, and vinegar work together to create complex, satisfying flavors. American grilling and smoking techniques are now common in Filipino dishes. Think smoked lechon or grilled seafood with Filipino spices. Chicken or baked dishes often use Filipino seasonings, blending comfort foods from both cultures seamlessly. Inventive presentation and modern twists. Chefs are rethinking how Filipino dishes look. They might serve deconstructed adobo or use fancy plating techniques. Modern culinary tools like sous vide or molecular gastronomy add a new layer of style and flavor. These twists make traditional Filipino food fresh and exciting. Notable Filipino American chefs and restaurateurs. Chefs Nicole Ponseca and Margarita Force have shaped Filipino American cuisine. They focus on showcasing the flavors of the homeland while creatively adapting to modern tastes. Their work bridges cultural gaps and inspires new generations of chefs. In Los Angeles, Maharlika offers Filipino fusion favorites. In New York, Jeepney is known for blending Filipino and American soul food. These venues act as cultural hubs, introducing Filipino flavors through innovative menus that appeal to diverse palates. Filipino fusion dishes are gaining respect worldwide. Chefs are earning awards and expanding their brands globally. These pioneers are changing how people see Filipino food, from simple comfort fare to a vibrant, modern cuisine. Chefs face the challenge of staying true to traditional flavors while experimenting. Finding the right balance keeps food authentic yet exciting. It's about respecting roots while embracing change. Filipino cuisine is finally getting noticed in the broader food industry. Restaurants and food festivals highlight this vibrant culture. This exposure creates opportunities for chefs to grow and share Filipino flavors on a larger scale. Actionable tips for aspiring chefs and food entrepreneurs: start by mastering classic Filipino dishes. Then, experiment with American ingredients and cooking styles. Always tell a story about your food. Authenticity matters. Source ingredients carefully and share your cultural background to connect with customers. Filipino American food is a story of blending tradition with innovation. From old recipes to modern fusion, it celebrates cultural roots and forward-thinking cuisine. Whether you're a foodie or a chef, exploring these flavors can open doors to new tastes and stories. Dive into Filipino cuisine and discover how food connects us all through culture and creativity.